Hey there, coffee enthusiasts! Today, I'm diving into the Asani Conical Burr coffee grinder, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. First off, let's talk about that pesky static issue that plagues many grinders. Not here. With its anti-static design, say goodbye to coffee grounds clinging to your hands and countertops. It's a clean, mess-free experience from start to finish. Now, onto the real magic, the grind settings. With 35 precise options, you have complete control over your grind, whether you're brewing French press, espresso, or drip coffee. Plus, you can grind enough beans for anywhere from 2 to 12 cups, ensuring you have just the right amount for your caffeine fix. But let's not overlook the heart of this machine, the stainless steel Conical Burr. It delivers uniform grind size, unlocking the full flavor potential of your beans. Say farewell to inconsistent grounds and hello to barista-level coffee every time you brew. Cleaning? A breeze. With a built-in brush, removable upper burr, and hopper, maintenance is simple and quick. No more dreading the cleanup process. More time for savoring your freshly brewed cup. And let's talk aesthetics. The Asani grinder is not only functional but also sleek and elegant, adding a touch of sophistication to any kitchen countertop. Plus, with built-in overheating protection, you can grind away without worrying about damaging the motor. In conclusion, if you're serious about your coffee, the Asani Conical Burr coffee grinder is a must-have. Say hello to flavorful, freshly ground coffee every morning. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.